Hey guys, how do you prepare pre-market trading? Where do you do? What sources are you using? What assets within you are you using? Are you researching? Are you going through news articles? Are you research going over your previous data of your trades that you've had before? Do you have a specific stock that you trade every day? Do you have multiple? Do you have 20? What do you do to give yourself the edge? So what do I do? I research. Use the tools in front of me. The AI bot technology, the news bot technology, the trade ideas from other friends of mine, other traders, and what do? I put it all together and try to formulate a plan, I formulate an idea. So right now, while we're talking about this, is because you might be a little scared out there. The market's a little shaky. It finally looks like it's hitting a top, but are we just hitting a correction? A responsible correction? I think so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out some cash. I'm going to have some cash aside ready for when I see a buying opportunity. I'm going to trim a few positions that were in the positive. I'm going to average down on a few things. And then I'm also going to possibly go long on some options that are going to be on companies that I believe might have a rise in the future. And then possibly sell some calls and sell some puts that are going to give me some weekly profit throughout the week to prepare for a significant move in any direction. So I'm not losing dramatically on one move. I'm actually possibly gaining some money more than I'm losing because of the averaging down and because of the process that I've taken. This is just a strategy that I would use, that I tend to use to make my trading a little bit easier and a little better preparation for the mornings. Why do we want to talk more about preparation than anything? Because without having the proper mindset, you really can fumble and make the wrong trade even though you had the right idea. You had the wrong entry because of other circumstances that were affecting you. You weren't able to concentrate. You weren't able to pull the trigger at the right moment. You pulled the trigger once you already saw the trade happen and you didn't realize that you were already supposed to be in and out of that trade. Well, if you mentally prepare for these things and you go, hey, this is where I'm going, this is my entry. If I miss the trade, I miss the trade, I move on to the next setup. That's the rule. If I miss it, I'm going to the next setup. Don't overtrade the same play. If you've already made your play, you've lost twice, don't go for it again for a third time and let them beat you up for the third time. Fool me once, fool me twice, right? We all know that. We got the mindset set aside. We're happy. We're ready to rock. We're ready to go. We know what to do. We know what we're trading. We have a strategy. We have a sector that we're looking at today. We have reasons. We found catalysts in the news. So step 2, finding catalysts, researching, understanding what's new, what's hip before it's hip. Before you see, if I see 70 words that are on a list that are saying these are the top things, well, I'm going to follow them. I'm going to watch them, but I'm going to go, what's over here? What's on the side that no one's talking about? So lately we've been talking, quantum computing, agritech, and we have videos like that in the YouTube channel. If you want to go ahead and grab our videos that we've got them titled just like that, agritech and quantum computing. Is that what you're doing? Are you finding companies that are possibly going to be the next big thing? And if you are, then please drop it in the group. Drop us a stock, drop us a chart, tell us what to look at. We'll pull it up and we'll analyze it ourselves and give an idea of what we think. We've got one thing, right? And we got two things. We've got mindset, we've got research, we have catalyst research, we have news, we have earnings understandings, and then 3, we go to fundamentals. We start looking at what do these companies do when there's a market that is so bullish that's hard to predict, that maybe you want to go somewhere safer. So we talked about beverage companies. We're always going to be drinking beverages. Maybe we might change which ones we're drinking, but overall, soda pop, water, tea, coffee, I don't think they're going anywhere. They might adapt, they might change. Energy drinks, even though they're not the healthiest thing, but they're not going anywhere right now, as of now, unless there's a regulation that pops up, things of that nature. So beverages are another thing that we're looking for in the future. Went into KO today, actually. It's 4/20/2021, went into KO. So we've got the mindset, we've got the catalyst, and we know that the company's worth something. Now we got to go to technical analysis. And now I'm going to get in, and this is where the real morning pre-market prep, gets nitty gritty. I get in there and I go, fuck everything else I know, right? Throw it all out the window, because now the chart is telling me something different. The chart is going to say, okay, it's a bullish trend. We're in an uptrend. We're keeping the channel that you followed, that you're seeing us get lower lows and higher highs. So it's creating a nice channel. And then once we wait, if we're going bearish, we wait for it to break and break out of that channel and then find some support again. So what we're looking for is a breakthrough, get in that trade, low risk to the upside, follow that thing down to at least maybe a 30 to 40% retracement and get out, and then let it find its support, and then we get back in for the long if we're long, right? So there's a lot of different scenarios that you can do when you're using technical analysis. And when you're using technical analysis, you have to understand how you are, or what you are, or who you are as a trader. You know, are you trading on the 1 minute trying to scalp? Are you trading 15 minutes to 30 minutes for the daily play? Are you trading a 4-hour chart looking for a 4-hour swing on a weekly or a monthly play? Are you trading options looking for some premium instantly and get in and out? Are you selling for premium? So these are the different strategies that you need to learn, and we can definitely show you. We have videos on it, maybe writing covered calls, writing puts to go synthetically long. If you want to learn about these things, please jump in and watch more of our videos. But today's all about just preparation, understanding risk. This is a crazy market. SPY's down today. They're red. The blood is hit, but don't be worried. It's, you know, last time I looked, it was 0.6%. I mean, come on, it's nothing. So get ready for more pullbacks. Be ready for it and be prepared. And if you want to get help and you want to learn more about it, then drop that like first, subscribe, and then hit that link below in the description, and we'll get you set up here with Elite Trading and help you with the fundamentals, the techniques, the technical analysis, getting ready for mental awareness in the morning, finding the catalyst. So we're here. Appreciate you guys coming in, listening to this video today, and stay tuned for some crypto knowledge coming at you from our boy Kid Franks. See you guys. Stay green, and we will see you soon. Stay blessed.